The American interstate highways. Not very exciting, but this system of roads has transformed the country. Here are some things you may not know about the interstate highway system. The first interstates were built in 1956. The most recent interstates were built in 2017. The I-90 is the longest interstate. It runs between Boston to Seattle and is 3,020 miles long. The shortest interstate, well, depending on how you categorize it, the shortest interstate is the I-375 and can be found in Michigan with a distance of 1.06 miles. Now, if you don't consider auxiliary highways to be interstates, even though it is designated as an interstate, then the shortest interstate is the H2 in Hawaii. So what do these numbers mean? You have even-numbered interstates and you have odd-numbered interstates. The even numbers run east and west, whereas the odd numbers run north and south. Now, did you know if the interstate numbers are divisible by 5, they represent major coast-to-coast or border-to-border highways? Have you taken a cross-country road trip on one? Let us know. We'd love to hear about it.